Hey, it's Danielle, coming to you from my very own winter wonderland. Now, we here at Four Patriots think we know a little something about survival and preparedness, but sometimes Mother Nature can throw a wrench in our plans. While a snowy day can be beautiful and peaceful, some inclement weather is anything but. Freezing rain, snowstorms, and black ice make getting outdoors dangerous, even life-threatening, especially when it comes to driving. As we've seen in the news recently, folks tend to take to the road thinking they'll be fine, but then sometimes find themselves in an accident or worse. Some folks have been stranded for hours, stuck in their car. So that's why my goal today is to give you a few potentially life-saving tips to help if you become one of the unlucky drivers stuck in a snowstorm. Before I get to that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap that bell right next to it. That way, you never miss a video release. According to safety experts, some important essentials to keep in your car are food, water, power, and protection. Now, protection refers to a variety of items, including a flashlight, a knife, a windshield scraper, and of course, a blanket. Obviously, staying warm is top priority, but there's no way of predicting how long you'll be stuck in the snow, so you need to prepare for the worst, like being stranded for the long haul. I keep these delicious lemon shortbread bars in every vehicle I own. They're designed to last 5 years and withstand some extreme temps too, so you can put them in the car and leave them there for emergencies, just like this one. When it comes to water, you have a few options. You could keep a few bottles tucked away, but they'll need to be changed out every 6 months, which could be annoying to keep track of. In a dire situation, you could simply gather the snow surrounding your car and let it melt. But at Four Patriots, we recommend stepping it up a notch and traveling with the Patriot Pure personal water filter. Even though melted snow can be a great source of water, it can also carry unknown contaminants. Simply use the Patriot Pure personal water filter like a straw and instantly purify any water source. Just remember, the more hydrated you are, the warmer you'll be. Now, as the sun begins to set, the Halo XT begins to shine. In many cases, the most important element to any piece of survival equipment is that it is multifunctional. Let me tell you, the Halo XT is so much more than a flashlight. It's basically the MacGyver of flashlights. It's solar powered and ultra bright with a built-in seat cutter, compass, and glass breaker. Not to mention it has a USB charger for a bonus jolt of power in emergency situations. And since we're talking about power, the Patriot Power Cell is the best pocket-sized power bank you should keep in your vehicle. Its rugged body can withstand the elements, plus it's solar, which means you'll never have to worry about batteries. The Patriot Power Cell provides reliable backup power, allowing you to charge your phone or tablet when you need it most. So, there you have it. I hope you take these recommendations seriously. Driving safe in winter should be a top priority. Be sure to drop us a line in the comments and let us know your roadside must-haves. And of course, while you're down there, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to be more self-reliant, just like this one. Thanks for watching, you all, and safe travels.